No matter how much money you have, it's likely you can afford the Spelling Mansion. The mega 57,000 square foot spread has finally been sold. The buyer is Formula One heiress fashion designer Petra Ecclestone, 22. She'll have a lot to do. The so-called manor includes a bowling alley, waterfall, movie theater, ice rink, and beauty parlor. It was listed at $150 million. As for Candy's daughter, Tori Spelling, she's recovering from a car crash. The pregnant mother of 2 said she was being chased by paparazzi to her kid's school. She rammed into a wall, but is okay. Jeez. Jennifer Aniston seems to be repeating history. She's the other woman, well was. Rumored BF Justin Theroux recently ended his 14-year relationship with his live-in girlfriend, costume designer Heidi Bivens, who was reportedly devastated. Theroux and Aniston met on the set of the upcoming movie Wanderlust, a la Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie on Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Jen, didn't you learn anything? And speaking of infidelity, Arnold's baby mama, Mildred Baena, is finally talking. Was the price right? She told Hello Magazine that Maria Shriver was very cool when she learned about the affair. The maid had brought the kid, named Joseph, to work last year, and other members of the household staff had gossiped about how much he looked like the Terminator. After Maria heard, she hugged Baena. Sorry, but I would have fired her butt on the spot. And big news. Hugh Hefner is not walking down the aisle for the 3rd time. Insiders say Crystal Harris, 24, and Hef, 84, had a nasty argument a few days ago and she broke things off. Did he ask for an open marriage? The wedding was supposed to go down at the Playboy Mansion. He'll probably have a party there anyway. We heard Anthony Weiner was invited.